Howdy folks. Howdy folks, thanks for tuning in. I have a short one for you today. We're up at Timbuktu and I'm hanging out up here and I have to go out and scout a new area over there, and I have a nice fire going. It's pretty cold out and we've got maybe an hour and a half of sunlight left, so I definitely don't want to do anything to completely extinguish this. You know, obviously I don't want any flames or anything that could come back up because of wildfire's sake. And we probably all remember the age-old adage, when you go out, blow out. I definitely do. I won a poster contest in, must have been first grade, with that motto for the fire department. Not to brag or anything, but we have a couple options here. If you're a responsible fire marshal, you're gonna have a bucket with either sand or water, so you can dump that on there, or you can spend the time and individually pat each log out. But I don't want to do either of those because I'm coming back so soon. Ideally, you'll have somebody stay and watch the fire. That's the ideal scenario, or you might have an ember horn to put the embers in and relight it when you come back. But today, I'm gonna show you a little trick. We're gonna put out the fire with this amount of water. Normally, if I were to just dump this on here, I would be able to put out one section which would quickly dry again, and then it would catch back on fire, and we would have just wasted this water for nothing. Of course, it's winter, so there's snow everywhere, but I'll show you. Okay, so basically what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put this in my mouth, and then I'm gonna spit it out. I'm not gonna spit it in a straight line, but it's gonna be more of a spray, like if you've got Febreze or something and you go tss, tss, you know, not the stream, but the spray. And if you have ever played a brass instrument, you're making the same shape with your mouth. So it looks like this. Do you see how easy that was? Of course it's still hot and it's going to catch back on fire. See? Like that? And that's exactly what would happen if I were to just pour it. That's what I was talking about. But the key to this is to do it a couple times, and we're gonna expose different areas that are gonna catch on fire. All right, so now we've got the main bed here exposed. And then just keep going at it. And what this does is it extinguishes all the flame without actually soaking the logs. So they'll be reusable again in a couple hours, probably less considering how hot they still are. But this is not a method that should be used in an area with anything other than extremely low fire danger. This is still able to catch back on fire under the right conditions. This is just a neat little trick if you happen to be in the right area and it applies to your situation. Make sure you're moving stuff around too. I just got a laser eye surgery and my eyes aren't able to water right now, so this just hurts. Now you can see, maybe through all the smoke, the bed in the middle is dry again. All right, and there we go. Thank you so much for watching. And before you leave, I'm gonna show you this view. Check that out. If this isn't nice, I do not know what is. Thank you so much for watching. You can go show your cool Boy Scout friends this little trick here. Oh God, I think I just burped up smoke. Anyway, if you liked the video, please consider subscribing down below. We're a growing family of ecological fiends. And if you liked the video, please consider dropping a like down there too. That lets me know what kind of content you want to see more of. But I'll see you next time. Stay hungry.